Christmas is you.
Hey guys, I'm currently outside of Walmart waiting for my mom because we're trying to get the car fixed right now and it's going to be like 5-hour wait. So we're getting picked up and then I don't know what the rest of the day entails. Wrap the final gifts I have and wait until my car's fixed, I guess. I don't know. Next time something interesting happens, I will update you. It is currently very hot outside, but I don't feel like moving. Also, this audio might be horrible, so we'll see.
Christmas carols down the street, snowflakes on the graceful trees.
So it's like 4 p.m. I still haven't heard back from the auto shop about my car. But they did say it was going to take like 5 hours, so hopefully sometime soon they call me back and I can go get it. But I also had an oil change done to it, so I know that will take a tiny bit longer. But it will be worth it because one less thing to worry about. I mean, if I'm already waiting 5 hours, I can wait another 30 minutes, right? So I'm just at my parents' house. We are baking cookies, or at least I'm observing cookies being baked. And other than that, just doing nothing. Should be editing, but put it off a little bit longer. We have been reunited. I'm back with my car, and now I just have to put all the stuff that I had originally taken out of my car back in my car, because I wanted to make sure they had easy access to the tire that was in the back and stuff like that. So yeah, gotta put everything back in the car. Excuse me. So we gotta put everything back in the car, and then I think we're gonna have Chinese food. Sorry, that lighting was so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna have Chinese food with my family, and I might run to TJ Maxx because there is a dress I seen there when I was with Rose like 4 days ago, and it is still on my mind. And I know I have an ugly sweater to wear on Christmas Eve, and we're definitely gonna wear that. Probably on Christmas Eve. I don't know what I'm going to wear with it, but I don't know what that warning was. Anyways, I do have an ugly sweater that I could wear on Christmas Eve, which is the day that my family is celebrating, but I really want this dress, and like part of me is like, maybe I'll just like, I don't know, I just want that dress. So we'll see if I decide. I normally just like forget about things, but I'm like, I could wear this dress like later. So we'll see. I think if I go back, I'm definitely going to try it on, because the reason I didn't get it is because they didn't have a small, an extra small, and they had a medium. So they still have those two sizes. I'm going to try them both on and see, because I'm an extra small, but a small would be perfect because I could wear a small if I'm not pregnant or if I'm pregnant. I feel like a small is just like a little bit bigger, but then a medium feels like I could definitely wear that through my pregnancy, but it's really fancy, so I wouldn't wear it all the time. So like maybe I wouldn't get enough use out of it, and then I would not be able to wear a medium most likely after I'm pregnant. So I'm torn. So anyways, yeah, that's what I might do. Otherwise, I'm really sure. I fell asleep, and then the car place called me and we're like, hey, we're closing, are you gonna pick up your car? I'm like, I'm so sorry, I was waiting for a call from you guys because you gave me like a 4 to 5 hour wait, so I just figured I should just wait it out. They're like, oh, we thought someone called you, sorry. So I had to rush there and get it, but it's all good now. Let's go fill up the car. Honestly, I think it's smelling better. It just smells like Febreze now, nothing underlying. So hoping for the best here.
My teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Been too long, you've gotta know. So much joy that will...
Sorry I'm back in my car again filming, but I'm about to leave my parents' house. The lighting is horrible. Sorry about that. I quickly want to check in and tell you, TJ Maxx was awful. I had no luck. I ended up trying on a couple things, which I showed, which ended up looking horrible. Everything that I had seen previously when I was there that I liked was no longer there. Not in any size. Like, I literally would have tried, like, the dress that I wanted, I would have tried it in any size. Whereas, like, the day that I seen it last time, it had an extra small and a medium. And I was like, no, I need a small. There's no point. Today, I was like, I would literally try in any size. I'll make it work. It's okay. It wasn't there. So we'll figure something else out. And now I'm headed back to Fort Lauderdale, and I'm going to pick up Rose from work. We haven't seen each other since yesterday, since my car, like, broke down and everything. So, yeah, it's been a while since we've been apart for any amount of time. So it's interesting. The traffic is so bad because every single day, if you drive after midnight in South Florida, half of the road, or more than half of the road in this case, is shut down due to construction. It is a thing. It sucks. So I'm currently at the airport. It's super busy. I don't think you could tell. But I couldn't really film this because I don't have my vlogging camera right now because the battery died yesterday and I haven't been home yet I have like 4 batteries, but they're all dead. And I didn't bring the charger because I didn't know I'd be there overnight. And blah, blah, blah. So I just dropped off my leftover dinner, which was tofu General Tao's. It's not in his diet, but he's very hungry. So I dropped off to Rose. And I'm going to actually go park in the cell phone lot because it was so hard to get here. There's so much construction, which is typical. That's how it's been lately. Everyone is just randomly dead stopped. But yeah, it has been so bad with the traffic lately. So I'm just going to go to the cell phone lot. I know that it's going to be a while before Rose gets out. It's going to be, I think it's currently 12:40 and he gets out at 2:30, but I am so tired. I don't think I can make it back here, so I'm just going to go to the cell phone lot. I'm going to sleep for a minute and then we will come pick him up when he calls. So yeah, fun times. And if I can't sleep, I will edit, but honestly I'm exhausted right now, so I'll probably sleep and edit in the morning.
Holiday.
We are reunited.
Once again.
I have not peed in like 3 hours, which is not okay.
Christmas Eve, here on Christmas Day, with no...
Oh my gosh. Rose went all out. And
Do not open it. Yeah, don't open it.
I actually forgot to get you a card. I thought about that later.
But I forgot a bow.
He wrapped the gifts and everything. I'm so proud of him. But he also put our little tree here, which we've had every year. This is our Christmas tree because we never know where we'll be. This is the first time where we're at home.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is the first time.
Yeah.
But every year we travel no matter where we are. Where were we? The first Christmas. I totally forgot.
We always celebrated in West Palm, but
West
at a
Palm,
hotel.
Yeah.